First, let me say that the thumbnail and what you see here has nothing to do with the title. I'm only sharing it because this is what I've been working on before joining a team. And right now I have nothing else to show you. I really wanted to finish working on this, but something came up that was quite interesting to me. It's a paid gig, so I'm halting all my personal projects, including this one, and I'm now working on a new project full-time. I haven't uploaded any new videos recently because I've been busy setting up a new framework. I'm joining an existing team, so I have a lot of catching up to do. Right now, I don't want to reveal anything. I do want to start giving you some of my random thoughts, and that's pretty much what I've been doing publicly until now. I just want to do that after I get to know the team better, as well as a few other things. So again, what you see here has nothing to do with the job. Even though I really like what I'm seeing here, the HDRP and all that stuff, I spent a long time getting this working both in terms of rendering and multiplayer, but it's paused. And I'm now 100% focused on building a new prototype for the new project. Hopefully I can get something visual to show you guys, and I'll see what happens from there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.